Meditation script. Message: love and fear. Unconditional love. Fear imposes conditions. Strong love. Fear is weak. Liberating love. Fear binds. Letting go love. Fear clings. True love. Fear deceives. Trusting love. Fear doubts. Allowing love. Fear imposes. Forgiving love. Fear blames. Compassionate love. Fear pities. Choosing love. Fear avoids. Kind love. Fear is angry. Elevating love. Fear is rage. Embracing love. Fear turns away. Creative love. Fear dictates. Healing love. Fear harms. Love is miraculous. Fear is superstitious. Love gives us energy. Fear drains us. Love is nourishment. Fear is poison. Inspiring love. Fear is anxious. Yearning love. Fear is competitive. Patient love. Fear is restless. Courageous love. Fear hesitates. Relaxed love. Fear is pressured. Blind love. Fear judges. Respectful love. Fear despises. Accepting love. Fear denies. Dreamy love. Fear is nitpicky. Playful love. Fear needs control. Enjoying love. Fear endures. Free love. Fear imprisons. Trusting love. Fear is deceitful. Giving love. Fear resists. Love wants. Fear needs. Do you choose love or fear?